We did find something that works for our bird feeder.
Not pretty, but it works.
2 nights in a row this has worked. Kept the coon from getting to the seeds. And I was wondering if this was going to be big enough because he's a pretty tall coon. But he can't quite reach up high enough to get a good grip on anything to climb that. You know, he'll climb up under there, but that ain't going to do him no good. So this does work, guys. If you want something that works that keeps the coons off, that makes your bird feeder look a little silly, but you could always paint it and dress it up a little bit. But I seen somebody else use the fireplace lids that are like 31 inches. This one was just around 21 or 22 inches, but because of the angle of it, see, he could probably reach this lip, but it's too wobbly for him to hold on to. So he can't get up here high enough to get a hold of that from standing down here. So for 2 days in a row, we've had no seed loss from the raccoons.